Okay, round two. Into some technical difficulties first time through. Let's see what we can do this time. New target. Let's go ahead and just go for the middle big bullseye first. See where this thing is going to land. Seems to be all over the place. Looks like low to the left. Nah, still no good. For some reason my magazines aren't working anymore. It just keeps dumping them. Dumping them out. Or bending them all up. Okay, let's try again. Don't make any adjustments. Same point of aim. Center target. Okay. So let's come up a bit. We need to go right. Just lost another pellet. I don't know what is going on with those magazines. Okay, looks like we got the windage figured out. Just a little bit more. You can hear when it's supposed to, it drops it and then it crunches it. What a pain in the ass. Had this thing for years, never had any issues. Now it's not wanting to load pellets anymore. Let's do it the old-fashioned way, one at a time. Okay, same down the middle. A little high. Could be me, of course. Let's reload one by one. Get online and see how to fix this. Alright. Having a little bit of trouble with the eye relief. Well, that's not bad. Same location pretty much. Hopefully we'll have my 1022 in my hands here within a few days, and then we'll be at the range. Yeah, it's grouping pretty nice, really. Nicer if my magazines worked. Seems not the easiest thing to load one by one. Alright, let's go again here. Yeah, same hole just about. Even with that heavy trigger pull and concussion from the spring in this thing. Still hitting our aiming point pretty much. Okay, one more for the test video. Then we'll call it a day. Okay, last one. See where we end up. A little high, not bad though. Okay. GoPro, stop recording.